This simple but very effective piece of kit could be just what you need to work better with some of your existing revision resources, like textbooks and past papers. I'm talking here about transparent sticky notes. These are a great way to engage with textbooks and revision guides in a different style than you are right now, as you can annotate sections and maybe even answer questions with ease all on the page and still see your original resource. Then simply peel them away and you're done. If, like a lot of my students, you practice with past exam papers, there are lots of creative ways that you can use these to annotate the questions you've already done or actually answer questions without using up the page. With these sticky notes, you can add to any existing revision resource to double up on your use of content, and I think they're a great way to change up parts of your revision. The notes I'm using were really easy to find online, and of course I do recommend you do a trial run with some before you throw them in a textbook, just in case your ink leaks through. If you did find this video helpful and you can think of a creative way that you could use the transparent sticky notes, please leave a comment down below and give this video a like before you go. And until next time, happy revising.